overflowing, flooding. Sometimes life leaves you with a soggy, wet mess to clean up. Now with the Vacuum-Aid Wet Pickup Kit, you can turn your standard central vacuum, Vacuum-Aid Garage Vac, or Utility Vac into the perfect system for cleaning up those unexpected wet messes. Connect the 5-foot adapter hose between the wet pickup bucket and your vacuum inlet, either located on the front of your vacuum unit or into the wall valve. Your vacuum cleaning hose then connects to the second port on the bucket. You are now ready to clean. All of the moisture and debris is collected in the secondary wet pickup canister. The specialized float cage inside the bucket allows you to vacuum without the fear of water or moisture getting to the vacuum system. The combination wet-dry cleaning tool has a squeegee on the bottom to help remove all of the liquid on the floor when used on tile and hard floor surfaces. When your vacuuming is complete, simply disconnect the hoses and empty the wet pickup bucket. Don't forget to allow your hose to dry out before using again. Find us at vacuumaid.com or on Amazon.